Hello, friends. After a long time, first of all, I apologize for the silence from my side. I couldn't be in touch with you people for a long time. Sometimes life demands unpredictable things that happen in my life, unfortunately. Silently, we have to accept those. And I deeply regret the lapse, really, friends. Moreover, your understanding means a lot. And your generosity and patience have just, touched my soul. I admire your support more than words can express. Thanks a million for your unwavering encouragement regarding books, offline and online classes. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart, my dear friends. Really, you supported me a lot. Anyways, the reason I want to tell you why I was mute all these days. I'm a bit busy with the schools and colleges, okay? Because, I'm just conducting some workshops on communication skills, visiting different colleges, different schools, and being there for 3 days and 1 week and having workshops there. ఫ్రెండ్స్ చూశారుగా ఇలా ఆంధ్రలోనే కాదు తెలంగాణలో కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటే భయమన్న వారికి తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదువుతున్న వారికి ఎంతో మందిని వారి జీవితం మీద ఆశ కలిగేలా మోటివేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఏమండి, స్టూడెంట్స్కే కాదు ఎంతో మంది టీచర్స్ కూడా ఈ వర్క్షాప్ వలన లబ్ధి పొందుతున్నారు. Now also we are at Tri College in Rajahmundry, my dear friends. Yes, students are really amazing, and moreover that the management supported me a lot, and faculty are really marvelous. Really, friends, I'm really happy. I feel blessed to have a session here, and if you want to have a glance, just come with me. I'll show you the students in college. Okay.
Hello everyone, I am Prasanna. First of all, it gives me an immense pleasure to stand in front of you and share my feedback. I am very grateful to Sunila sir for being here and helping me learn new things. I'll forever be indebted for you, sir. And not just about communication skills, he explained everything along with some fun, which made me understand and enhance things properly. If I put this communication skills apart, he even made me apply during those motivational sessions. And I'm counting it down to if I get cold, seriously. But literally jokes apart, I'm truly grateful for being here and listening to your sessions, sir. It truly changes something.
I feel it's an immense pleasure to stand in front of you and share my feedback about Mr. Sunil Oscar, sir. Sir, thank you for being here. Till now, as our college management announced that there's a motivational trainer and English communicator named Sunil Oscar. He will teach and improvises the confidence present in you. I thought that as they conducted many sessions like CRT, it will be useless, I thought, but you told me wrong. I'm not that kind of a big person, but I want to give advice to my college management that if you wanted to make the students learn, all they need to know is about the pain, not about the courses. So in order to feel that pain, you should have to encourage the students by bringing this kind of stars to the college, so that I felt very confident.
Encourage the students and make them to speak confident on the stage. At the start of the session, Sir said that I may not teach you a good English, but I will make you speak confident on the stage. Now I am saying that, sir, you are a man of words.
third class అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా సార్